Still McNelly with Stiles Machinery. Today I'm here with the S-200 FC, showing the changeover on the profile scraping heads. So we have a 2mm and a 1.5mm head. They're already set with the cut depth, so no manual cut depth adjustment required. We just need to remove it from its placement and swap it out with the other one. I'm going to remove the airline from the top station, loosening the handle, and then the clamp releases. After pulling back, I have a set radius with cut depth adjustment that'll be ready to go when I'm ready to switch back. Now with the other head, I'm going to go back in there, place it in its placing, lock it into place, and reset the airline. On the one removed, you can see how it's got a toothed triangular bottom, and that's what's going to set it in where you don't have to worry about being exactly in the spot when you put it in. And that's all we have to do to switch over between radiuses without having to worry about having cut depth reliability between program change. For further information, please visit stilesmachinery.com.